morning, dear students. Today I will be starting your new chapter, chapter 2, sorting and filtering data in Microsoft Excel. So before explaining the topic, I want to show you the Excel, Microsoft Excel, how it appears on the computer, how it looks. This is the page of the Excel. I am showing you how to open again. So this is the desktop. Here you will type, you will search Microsoft Excel, or simply you just give Excel. So it will open. Click here and this is your page of Excel. Now here you can see the menus are displaying. The menus displayed, that is File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View. Now I want to tell you what is MS Excel, the introduction part. What is MS Excel? So in class 6, I think we have learned that MS Excel is a spreadsheet in which we can arrange the particular data in particular manner. Now I will show you one simple example here. Say now you have got your roll number, your name, your class, your section, is that it? So how you will keep the records, how the teachers used to keep the records either in the register or in the system. So I will show you how they will keep. Here first of all, say I want to show roll number. First column, say roll number, then say name, then class and section. So since the name, the spaces, it takes more, so what we will do, we click that column and this cursor it comes, then you just drag the mouse, like that. Now you go on keeping the records. Roll number 1, say Ashmita, Chaudhary, class 7, section B. The next, roll number 2, say Bipasha, Das, class. Now all of are in same class and same section, so what we will do, just see here what I am doing, the plus sign is in the corner and just I have to drag. So see, it will be copy. So these are the simple things we will learn in this chapter. So this is how we will keep the records and then we save the file. We save the file by creating a folder and the file name, say record of class 7B. Save the file. So this is the file you have saved. Now you can give a particular name, that means name you can change with the red color, so then size will be bigger, that you can do the changes, that is called formatting. So we will continue with this chapter by knowing a new things. So today you just go through the page. If you are having the computer system at your home, you open the computer and try to open the Excel and see the page how it looks like and try to type the table as I have typed and I have shown to you. You type it and see how it looks like.